Okay, so the analysis assignment for week 2 is a bit different than what we did in week 1. It's mostly having you take a look at data in these short spreadsheets, basically. It's not a spreadsheet, but in this short table. Take a look at the data and then answer these questions down here. So most of it should be fairly intuitive. In fact, at this first point, at the time of the study, how many subjects had been using opiates for 10 years? It's fairly easy to see. You'd come up here, look at current use for 10, how many people, this is your percentage. And so that helps you answer the first 2 questions. It shouldn't be too difficult. There's no real formulas that you need to know as you go through this assignment for week 2. And it's mostly, again, just looking at the data in that table and then trying to answer the questions. Part 2 is looking at a research article, and you're looking at frequency distribution of counseling. And so this one, I did want to caution you on, because one of the questions, what is the median age of the clients? If you go straight to the table, you might get frustrated because it's not showing you the median age of the clients. Instead, you'd have to read through the paragraph that was written for you, and then you'll see the age of the participants range from 18 to 47, and they give you the median age there. So a little bit of a trick question, I think, but that should help you get started there. Median age, percentage of clients under age 21. So we can take a look at the questions and always go back to the paragraph right here. I think that's going to help you quite a bit. And then the third part of this, because there's 3 parts, there's a statistical guide talking about interquartile range, and you have another table of information with that. Again, taking a look at different locations on average, the participants in which city were the oldest. And here we go. So you'd have to take a look at the different cities. I actually pulled the data set into a spreadsheet because it's a little bit easier to read it this way. You have Bangkok, Glasgow, New York, Rio de Janeiro, and then you can see the interquartile range, how many percentage were male, education, and then so on. So hopefully this is helpful for you as you get started with that quiz. You just need to have some time to sit through it, look at the tables, and then answer the questions accordingly. But there shouldn't be any formulas that you need to know with answering these questions. All right, and that takes care of it. Let me know if you have any questions.